In construction, there are workers, and then there are the superheroes of the job site. These ingenious builders transform chaos into order with a wink and a hammer, making the impossible look like a coffee break. Whether they're defying gravity or working magic with their tools and machines, their skills are nothing short of legendary. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these workers who truly operate on a whole different level. A tire placed at the end of a slide causes bricks to bounce off it and land in a barrel. Using an excavator bucket to cook food when kitchen pans are unavailable. Two construction workers attach a rope to a shovel to make their work less strenuous. This innovative tool makes a wood grain design onto aluminum posts. A tire attached to the head of an excavator sweeps debris and dirt from the streets. A flood is being cleared using a plastic bottle by creating a siphon effect. Workers use a simple yet ingenious method to tighten nuts by pulling on a rope or belt, eliminating the need for additional tools. A metal wire is used to smooth out cement on a wall, making sure the surface is smooth before it dries. Workers attach rebars to pliers, crafting a tool capable of lifting multiple bricks simultaneously. Several workers use spray guns to paint a street barrier simultaneously while riding on a moving truck. Construction workers make use of this tool that uses vibration to level and smooth wet concrete. Here is a tool that easily bends rebar at the push of a button. A magnetic device arranges nails and gets them ready for tidy packaging. This man uses a tool to lift multiple cinder blocks at once. steel shoes reinforced with rebar enable a worker to easily climb steel beams. This device assists a worker in connecting plastic pipes together. A powerful multi-nozzle jet device cleans streets, making them look like new, simply by just strolling with it. This outstanding method illustrates how to rapidly dry, cure, and produce a waterproof enamel for masonry and bricks by applying it to any surface. Liquid cement is poured into plastic molds to create numerous protrusions without the need for manual shaping. An excavator methodically clears ivy from a wall, showcasing the machine's versatility. Brick production is optimized using wire cutters for clay slicing. This is the cutting-edge equipment used for fence production. These guys are loading up filled sacks into the trick, but luckily they don't have to do the heavy lifting because this extended truck arm will do that for them. This operator would probably have made an excellent surgeon with the precision he is using to slice these palm trees using an excavator. What this tractor does is to help the railway workers lay the railway lines accurately. This specialized jigsaw blade can easily slice through cement blocks. You've probably heard the song Wrecking Ball, but have you ever seen it in action? This snow-removing machine with a conveyor belt ensures that the street is not littered after a snowstorm because it cleans it up fast. This stone-crushing machine thoroughly destroys its target. This bandsaw effortlessly slices through multiple pieces of rebar with precision and ease. A robotic arm mounted on a truck places street cones with meticulous care and precision. Cement blocks are fed into a machine that swiftly grinds them into powder. A long chainsaw swiftly carves around the root ball of a tree, preparing and removing it within seconds. A powerful blade precisely aligns and slices multiple rebars into smaller pieces for recycling. This incredible machine swiftly digs a trench with remarkable ease right before your eyes. Powdered cement is poured into a brick mold and then pressed to form hard, solid bricks. A shredder attachment rolls over cement blocks, effortlessly crushing them into smaller pieces. To construct a fence, sheets of metal are cut into triangular shapes. Belts fastened to a truck securely unload large pipes, enabling them to slide down without any damage. A machine shapes and molds cement posts to the desired vase shapes. A worker bends a flat metal sheet into a conical shape for construction projects. Here is a more efficient way of floor finishing. Large copper wires that need to be recycled are cut in one swift motion using this sharp cutter. Using a mini excavator, a worker skillfully smooths wet cement while hanging down. Removing old vinyl flooring becomes fun and simple with a dedicated removal machine. Broad roads freshly laid with cement are skillfully leveled by a road finishing machine. That will be all for today. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching.